Hey YouTube, Dirt and Diesel here, showing you how to change a cabin air filter on a 2016 GMC Sierra 2500. Pretty easy. First thing you're going to do is open your upper glove box, and then you open your lower glove box. Now I've already removed all the screws. You have 4 screws holding it in. 1, 2. Come down underneath here. I don't know if you can see it. You got 3 and 4 right there. Once you get your 4 screws out, it's a Torx 15. Go ahead and just pop it out. Set that down. So your cabin air filter is right in here. Pretty easy, just pull this out. Just remember your orientation on how that goes. And then pull your air filter out. If you'll notice, it's got an arrow, if you can see that right there. It says airflow down, because the air filters are directional. So we'll take this out, look at it. Doesn't look too bad. I've got 20,000 miles on it. I'll get the vacuum cleaner, clean that out a little bit, and then reassemble. Shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes. Again, it's a Torx 15, 4 bolts, and just pop it off. Real simple. Thanks and subscribe.